How to make money online promoting Amazon affiliate links on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how it works and what you need to do exactly. So to begin with, you need to simply sign up with Amazon Associates for free. So you can just go on your Google, type in Amazon Associates, and you can just go and create your account from there. This is basically going to give you the ability to get affiliate links to begin with from Amazon. And in case you don't know, affiliate links are simple. You are just going to copy links to specific products that you select. And if somebody opens up this link that you provide and they purchase the item, you will get a cut. This is basically how it works. So once you actually sign up with Amazon Associates, you are going to need to do one small setting, which is very simple. Simply just go to your account settings. So you just log into your Amazon Associates, click on account and account settings. From here, you are just going to click on edit your website, mobile app, and Alexa skill list. And basically whatever platform we talk about, including your Instagram, you're going to basically add it in here within the websites tab. This is basically going to be the platforms that you're using to promote products. Next up, to actually get the links themselves, you simply just want to go to Amazon.com as usual. And you just want to locate the products that you want to promote. So open them up. And once you do, you're going to notice something here at the top, which wasn't there before, which is Site Stripe. This is basically going to be what you need to get your links. It's also going to show you the category of the item and the commission rate of such category. So commission rate for this one is 3%, which is going to be the amount you will be getting. And most importantly, at the right side, you are going to find get link. So you simply just want to click on that and click on copy affiliate link. This is going to be your affiliate link that you want to promote. And here you also have some captions, which is going to be generated for you. Again, this is up to you whether you want to use it or not, or you can just, create your own. It's up to you. Now, the best way that I found for Instagram to actually promote them is not to actually, create posts and paste in the link in there. Instead, you will want to have a link in bio option. The best one that I recommend for you, which is for free, is beacons.ai. So just visit this website, create your account for free, and you simply just want to go to the link in bio in the website, and you simply just want to customize your link in bio. So to add a product, it's very simple. You just want to add a block, and you can just go and click on links. And you're just going to go ahead and either use, classic, image grid, it's up to you. I'm just going to use the classic for this example, but obviously, how you want to brand it is up to you. And I'm just going to click on add a link and paste in the affiliate link and click on add. Give it a title, which is basically going to be the product name. And I also very highly recommend that you add an image so people can just identify it right away instead of, scrolling through just names. And you can always just preview how it's going to look like on the right side here. So you have all of these things and you can move them around. So for example, if this is your main product, you can just move it to the top. It's going to be right there. And obviously there's a lot when it comes to design options as well, but I'm not really going to touch on that. Most importantly now, once you actually finish up your links and the products that you want to promote in here, what you want to do is simply copy the actual link in bio link, which is this one. And now you simply just want to go to Instagram and paste it in your bio and start creating content promoting products, and always just let people know that the link is in bio. So this is the best way to promote affiliate link for Amazon using Instagram. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.